Hey, what's up everyone? This video is going to show you how to start the Predator 2000 watt super quiet generator. I have like 5 of these for my businesses. They're awesome, super worth it, highly recommended. This is a brand new one. You can see I already added the oil. To add the oil is very easy. 3 screws off. There's a little dipstick over here. You add about half a quart. That's how much it takes. I use 10W30 fully synthetic Mobil 1. And then when you're done with that, you put the cap back on, 3 screws back on. You already fill it up with gas. We're ready to start this. This is the first startup. I'm gonna show you how to do it. There's also a gas gauge here to show you before and that. First step you wanna do is you wanna turn this gas cap from off to on. This is gonna cause it to ventilate, and then you keep it off when you're not using it so moisture and stuff doesn't get in the gas. So we're gonna turn that on, just like it says over there. Number 2, this is our economy mode. This is gonna make it quieter when it's running, so you use less gas. But for now, you wanna keep economy mode off, and nothing should be plugged in, okay? Step 3 is going to be putting it onto start, okay? What start does is it chokes out the engine. So just like a lawnmower choke, this is essentially your choke. You're going to leave it on start, you're going to pull it, let it run for about 5 seconds, and then put it to run. So I'm going to demonstrate that for you right now. Again, this is the first startup, so it might take 1 or 2 pulls, but usually it starts up pretty good. Went in here. First pull, so 1 more pull. There you go. Usually it's only 1 pull, but like I said, this is a brand new one. You'll hear it kind of sputter, that's because it's on choke. Put it to run. And it's quiet, right? You can barely hear it. This is full power mode, okay? So if you're running something big like an AC or something large that takes a lot of power, you want to leave it here. Now if you're running something small like a fan or charging stuff or you need a light, flip this switch to on. You see how it gets RPMs drop and it gets quieter. This is gonna give you like that 11-12 hours of running time, and you literally leave it like this. It's fairly simple. You can see how light it is. You can carry it around and everything. When you're ready to shut it off, all you gotta do is come over here. You're gonna take the eco mode off or the ESC mode off. You wanna unplug everything and just boom, put it to off. It's really that easy to use this thing. Now, this is warmed up, right? If you want to start it back up, you don't go to start again. Start you only use when it's cold so the engine can warm up. Because the engine's already warm, you'll keep it on run. Give it 1 swift pull. Starts right back up. And like I said, you can put it back on eco mode. Do whatever you gotta do. Again, I've been using these for a while now. Highly recommend it. I hope this video helps you. If there's any questions, please let me know. And until next time, peace.